Hello again, and welcome back. Now we're going to go on to phase 4, which is adding the images to your playlists. So if you took a break, make sure you're inside your 3-Wave Dance library. If you're in your regular library, just click on 3-Wave Dance Library, and you can see my book is open to page 45, where I can see all the different colored images that go with the different playlists. So open up to 45 so you can just have this extra reference right here. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on to Use Next. And we're going to go and click on this square right here. It says Choose Photo. And you're going to scroll until you find something that looks like this, 3-Wave Dance Playlist Images. And open it up, and there are all the images. So for Use Next, we're going to use this color right here. And for my next playlist, we're going to use the same one. So we just click on the name, click on the use the photo, and that's that. And then we'll go down to this next one, which is 2-Wave Template. So click on that, click on to add the photo, click on this color, go to 3-Wave Template, click to add the photo, and again it says 2-Wave and 3-Wave Template, so we're going to use that. And the next one is for searches. And you can see it's like a purple fading into an indigo. So we'll click on over here, click on up here, and it's right there for searches. And we'll just do the same exact thing for the next 3, or next 2. And then you just keep on doing that for the rest of your playlists. You should have playlists already matching the rest of these from opening still all the way through the moves, grooves, peaks, coasts, stills, final rests, and closing still. And you'll just do that same thing, adding the appropriate color and name for each playlist until your 3-Wave Dance playlist looks like this. Lots of stills. And you'll be finishing with this color. And that's it. Now you've got all your images there, you have your playlist there in your library, and all that's left to do is to get your songs in there. And that's what we're going to do in video 5, is copy the playlists into your library. This is the part you've been building up for. So I will see you soon.